Hi everyone, I hope your week is going well. I just wanted to provide a little bit of an orientation to this assignment. So you've completed your brain games in UScience, and now that you've done that, you're able to see a lot of careers that UScience has identified as being a good match for you. Before you dive into specific careers in detail, we want you to take a step back and think about careers more broadly. We want you to think about career clusters. So we're going to ask you to start with career clusters to help you choose your career direction. So a career cluster is a broad category that contains a lot of different jobs that are related. So examples of career clusters are healthcare, construction, education, and we're going to ask you to identify career clusters that are interesting to you. And from there, you'll be able to learn what the careers in that cluster involve, what the trends are, like is there a lot of growth happening in that particular career cluster, or is it on the decline? And you'll be able to learn about specific careers within each broad cluster. So another one of the reasons we're asking you to start broad and start with career clusters is that it's often easier to change jobs and to advance within a career cluster rather than completely changing from healthcare to construction, to use the previous examples. So identifying with a cluster can help you. It can help you build your career. It can help you make decisions about like a college degree, specialized training, or certifications that will set you up well. They will qualify you for a variety of different jobs, the jobs that are related within a career cluster. So if you've already started dabbling with the careers in UScience, that's no problem. That's great. But we want you to go through this part as well. So the steps of this assignment. First, you're going to watch this video. It is 5 minutes long, and you may have seen it before in 11th grade advisory. If so, no problem. It'll be a review. Secondly, after you've watched that video, you're going to open this Google Doc and make a copy of it. You'll fill out the first section based on 4 career clusters that are most interesting to you. So you have to watch the video first to figure out which 4 might be interesting to you. The Google Doc looks like this. So the top section, you're going to list a career cluster based on the 5-minute video, and then state a reason you're interested in that cluster, and repeat it again for 4 career clusters that are of interest to you. After you've done that, the next step is to narrow it down. Select 2 career clusters that you want to learn more about. Then you're going to watch videos specific to those 2 clusters from this library of videos. That link is going to take you here. And let me go back to the videos. So this has career clusters, and under each one, you can press this press this plus button, and it will give you videos about like an overview of that cluster, as well as information on specific careers within that cluster. So each and every one of these has those 2 options. Okay? All right. So you're going to narrow down your 4 to 2 that you want to learn more about right now. You can always come back and learn more later. It's going to ask you to list 3 quick facts about the cluster. And here it says use the transcripts from the videos. I also have right here, hint, below each career cluster is a transcript. The transcript can help you gather information. Here's an example. So when I clicked on Energy Overview, it shows me the video and I can watch it, but it also shows me the video transcript. So let's try the same thing with marketing. Here's the marketing video, and here's the transcript. So I can watch the video, but I might not be able to jot down everything I need. So I can pull this up and find things like quick facts pretty easily in the transcript. Okay, so that's it. That's all you need to know. You're going to list your quick facts and list at least 2 reasons why you're interested in that career cluster. Here is an excellent example to give you an idea that I'm looking for more than just a few words. And I'd like you to really think about specifically why you're interested in these careers. Lastly, you're going to list 5 different careers within each cluster. That can be found. Let's go back. Okay, we'll go to agriculture. On the right-hand side where it says occupations, there's another 2-minute video and the transcript that goes with it explaining what specific jobs are within each cluster. Okay, hope this was helpful. Enjoy your exploration.